Welcome back to Booze and Rocks, where we make cocktails for everyone. My name is David Edwards, and isn't it time that we tried sex in the driveway? All right, it's great to have every single one of you back here today. We are going to take a look at a variation of sex on the beach. This cocktail sounds very much like college, university parties, maybe your early 20s. Just drink a lot, have a great time, maybe drink way too much. But is it any good? It's called sex in the driveway. And I'm not sure how you have sex in the driveway, maybe on the driveway, but not quite in the driveway, or maybe in the car. But anyways, the cocktail is called Sex in the Driveway. It's got 4 ingredients, it's simple to make, and you know what, let's get into it. Grab your shaking glass. And the next thing we're gonna do is grab your vodka of choice. In this case, I'm using Tito's vodka. Tito's vodka is a corn-based vodka, simple, easy, really, really good, I like it. 2 ounces or 60 milliliters. Yeah. So, then, having a hard time with my lids here. The next thing you need is some peach schnapps. I'm using Dr. McGillicuddy's Peach Schnapps. This is very, very sweet, very, very peach forward. And we're gonna use 1 ounce or 30 milliliters. Oh yeah. Now that's gonna add some sweetness to the cocktail for sure. The next thing you want is your Blue Curacao. Now, this is Blue Curacao. It's McGinnis version, it's what I can get. It is orange forward, but it's also very blue. I like to say it tastes electric blue as well. And we need 1 ounce or 60 milliliters. And like I said, it is very blue. And now you're gonna wonder what we're gonna do next. Simple, easy, get rid of that. We're gonna throw a little bit of ice in here and we're going to shake it. And the reason we're going to shake this is I've seen a couple of versions of this where it's unshaken, but you have to stir it in a glass. And really, that's not gonna give it the best mixture. So shake it with a smile. Yeah. Open that with the strength of 1,000 blue oranges. And just, well, it smells peachy. Grab your tall glass of choice. Now, I'm preferring a tall glass for this just because I'm going for a nice specific look. However, you can choose whatever glass you want. Grab a little bit of ice. Put that there. And now, what we're going to do is we're going to strain this in. And we're gonna leave just enough to top this with some Sprite. So I'm using Sprite. Use any lemon lime soda that you want. Totally up to you. Looks great. Looks gorgeous, actually. I do, however, have my doubts. But first, we need to garnish this, and I need an orange. And I don't have a knife. But maybe... Look at that. Skill, precision, and you get yourself a nice little orange wedge. Oh, just can't go wrong with that. Looks gorgeous. We need a straw. Grab your fancy steel bendy straw and let's try it out. It's not bad, but it's not balanced. I'm just gonna add more orange insult to injury here. Jab that in there. Give that a bit of a stir. Maybe some pineapple juice. Pineapple juice makes everything better, right? Actually, that is better. but there's still something that's not working about it, and I'm not sure what it is. You know what, if you have some ideas, leave it down in the comments for me, because there's something off about it. And I don't know, I think it's too much vodka. It looks damn good though, I will admit that. However, like anybody in their 20s, I'm just gonna drink it anyways. I'm not wasting it. You guys have a great night. Oh, what I am gonna do is I'm gonna put the ingredients and the method of how to make this down in the description for you. If it's your first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell notification. That way, every time we put up a new video, you will be notified. And if you'd like to help support the channel, please check us out at patreon.com/boozeontherocks, because every little bit helps us to bring these episodes to you. You have a great afternoon. Peach Schnapps. So this will be